Good afternoon and welcome to the Q&A session 8 from the chapter of waves. The topic is the wave velocity in a suspended string due to the introduction of a short wave pulse. And with regards to this topic, we will understand the key points for calculating the time of propagation of this short wave pulse, which is introduced at the bottom of a suspended uniform string. So here the question is, a short wave pulse is introduced at the bottom of a suspended uniform string of length 20 meters. So this is the bottom of the string and the length of this string is 20 meters. The length is equal to 20 meters and at the bottom, say this is the point B. So at this point B, a short wave pulse is introduced. So we have to find the time taken by the pulse to reach the support. This is the point of support which I have depicted here as O. So we have to find the time taken by the pulse to reach this point O. And this is the rigid support and this is the string which is suspended from this point O. So we have four options here and we have to find the correct option, and here the value of G is to be taken as 10 meter per second square. Now in the case of a string, the velocity of the wave is given by this formula, that is V is equal to under root T upon mu, where mu is what? Mu is the mass per unit length, and this is the formula which we have studied in the session number 2. In the session number 2, we have studied about the speed of waves. So in that session, we have learned that the speed, that is the velocity of the wave in the case of a string, is equal to under root T upon mu, and here T is what? This is the tension in the string. Now here I will be considering a very small element. This is the differential element of length dx, which is at a distance of x from the bottom. So the tension at any point at a distance x from the bottom of the string will be equal to, T will be equal to mu gx, where mu is what? Mu is equal to mass per unit length. So if I substitute this value in this equation, so I will be getting V is equal to under root mu gx upon mu. So this will be equal to root under root gx. Now V can be written as dx upon dt. This is equal to root g into root x, because we know that root a into v is equal to root a into root b. Now I will be rearranging the terms of this equation and finally I will be getting dx upon root x. This is equal to root g into dt. Now if I integrate this equation for the entire duration for this short wave pulse to reach this point O, then this equation can be further written as integration within the limits of 0 to L, where L is the length of the string, and here the limits of integration will be from 0 to T, where T is the time taken by the short wave pulse to reach this top point, or you can say the support. So from this equation, let us take this equation as equation number 1. So I will be getting this, that is from this equation number 1, or you can say that this equation can further be written as x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx within the limits of 0 to L, and this is equal to root g, and this will be integration of dt will be equal to t, and the limits are from 0 to t. And this this will be equal to, the integration of x to the power minus 1 by 2 will be equal to x to the power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So I will be getting 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 within the limits of 0 to L, and this is equal to root g into t. So this is equal to now 2 root L, and this is equal to root g into t. So from here t will be equal to 2 times into root L divided by root g. Now L here is equal to 20 meters and g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So this will be equal to 2 into root 20 divided by root 10, and so from here the value of t, this will be equal to 2 root 2 seconds. So the short wave pulse which is introduced or produced at this point B, that is which is the bottom of the string, will reach this support, that is the point O, in 2 root 2 seconds. So out of these 4 options, the second option, that is B, is correct. So this session was based on the session number 2, in which we have studied about the speed of waves, and in the next session I will be continuing with the same topic, but the question will be slightly different from what we have done today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.